Okay, here's just one more example, okay? Shanika did 14 cartwheels during recess. Kim did 20 cartwheels. How many fewer cartwheels did Shanika do than Kim? They are not asking you to find out how many altogether. They're asking you to compare the number of cartwheels Shanika did to the number of cartwheels Kim did. When the children were only adding to 10, this is what we used to do. We draw the dots and match them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I didn't know if I could fit 20. So now I have to fit 20 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This was fine when we were only comparing 3 and 7. You would line all of these up and circle the difference. Six is the difference. But that's not an efficient strategy. So at this time of the year when children are adding and subtracting bigger numbers, Eureka switches to tape diagrams. And the pictures do not have to perfectly match the numbers. So the first thing you would do is look at your question again and say, what do they want me to find out? How many fewer cartwheels did Shanika do than Kim? Shanika did blank fewer cartwheels than Kim. Then once they figure out the answer, they can just fill in the blank. But they're going to have to learn how to turn the sentence around. So, now we need 2 tapes for the tape diagrams. We need a S for Shanika and a K for Kim. And the tapes start off the same size. You know that Shanika's is equal to 14. Well, 14 can't look the same as 20, so would you add some or scratch some off? Needless to say, you would have to add some. So what that's saying is 14 plus something, the question mark, is going to equal Kim's 20. So this whole thing has to equal 20. Kim's 20. 14 is part of it. So you just adding 14 plus blank. So one of your addends is missing. 14 plus blank equals 20. Well, we've taught the children how to count up if they can get the equation. They put 14 in their head, then count on with their fingers. Some of them may actually know this. And many people, when they read a how many fewer than, can remember that subtraction is very easy. 20 minus the 14 that I know would give me the difference. Difference. The answer would be the difference. So put 14 in your head. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, if you don't know that fact. Or 20, if you don't know 20 minus 14, they're going to have to use a manipulative or draw 20 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Scratch out 10, 11, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The answer is 6. So now they have their sentence. Yes, this is a lot of work for a word problem, but this is what they will encounter as they grow in Eureka. So if you don't like the tape diagrams, you might want to get used to them because they're going to see them as they grow up in elementary school. Remember, this doesn't have to be exact. And remember, this is now inefficient because our numbers are getting bigger. If it was Shanika did 3 and Kim did 5, well, then you could line up 3 dots and 5 dots. But now that the numbers are bigger, the tape diagram is more efficient. Okay, I'm going to put there's one example for you to do on your own, and please feel free to snap a picture and send it to me. I will have to put in the comment box what they got wrong, okay? Because I know you can't draw a box on Google Docs. Thanks, parents.